Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Going over on our trades today for 626, 628.14. We had a really nice day today. A little frustrating, but we had two trades and two winners. First, let's take a look at crude. Now, pit opening move on crude right here at 9 o'clock. No way we could catch that long move. This C candle, way overbought. Nothing we could do. Then we had this big move down through a rising 50. No way to chase this move. No retracement, nothing. So two nice moves, one to the upside, one to the downside, not tradable. But then, whoops, it's my life insurance policy again. Then we had this beautiful move to the upside. Now, we already had two winners, so we did not take this trade. But that was a perfect break to the upside. You can see the candles outlined in blue. Order flow momentum and stochastic are with us on multiple time frames. Background bias adds additional time frames for order flow and momentum. And at the time, our modified 15 bias was also green, and that was a great trade to the upside, and it went 31 ticks. So that was a really nice trade that the market gave us. Excuse me here. Now the Russell opened here and broke the 15 here. The entry would have to have been this candle right into an unbroken pivot, so we couldn't take the trade. That would have been this entry right here, right into this pivot. It would have worked. Then it retraced. But this is a very dangerous entry that also worked. It was not a 2/3 candle close below the modified 15. We were not trading with order flow and momentum. Just a very risky trade, but it turned out to be a winner. But you know, when you're trading the right edge, this is not the kind of trade that you want to enter. Then we had a big move to the upside on a falling 50 right here that we could not take. It was just a matter of patience. And then finally we got what we needed right here. Break of the 50. A falling 50 finally. Candle was outlined in order flow, stochastic, and momentum intrabar. Put the sell stop limit in. 1 tick below the close, and bam, we went down for 11 ticks for our first win. 2 targets. Then we had a move up. A retracement. Now I took this short right here. Now the move never would have stopped us out, and it would have gone all the way down. It would have gone more than 13 ticks. But what I did was it pushed down 4. I moved the stop to break even, so it took us out of the trade. If I didn't do that, the trade would have come back 7 and then would have dropped 13. But I took us out. Then I re-entered the trade here because we had the break, the retracement, and the commitment of the modified 15 was even stronger to the downside here. So we're back in on the short side here. Now this trade went -9, gave us an enormous amount of heat on the trade, and then just fired down 13 ticks. to give us 2 targets. Again, I showed you that trade on crude. There was another great trade here. This is a C engulfing candle right off the 50 with the 15, and that would have gone 7. So we had a lot of trading opportunities today. But given the fact that it's the day before Labor Day weekend, or 2 days before, tomorrow's the last trading day before Labor Day weekend, we're just going to take a very modest approach to trading. We had 2 second targets, the Russell plus 11 plus 13. Our net wasn't 24, it was 34. No, 24, sorry. Net equity was 600. So far this week, we have 8 trades, 8 winners, no losers. Net equity is $1,980 for this week in 4 trading days. The Auto Trader today had no trades so far. Yesterday, it had a nice $300 2-target winner, and it's still trading away. So we're done for the day, and we left a lot of winners on the table, and that was simply because we had our 2 second target winners, and we weren't going to risk any more of our capital. But as I showed you, we had this nice C engulfer off the 50. We had this beautiful 31-tick move on crude, which just shows you do not have to worry about the missed moves. This is a very risky entry. This was an entry into a pivot. This was a break of the 50 on a falling 50. You don't have to chase these trades. You're going to get your trades. Break of the 50 to the downside, 15 and 50 are down, order flow, stochastic, and momentum. Here we had a break of the 50, retracement right back into the 50, move to the downside. If we would have taken the first entry and just hung there, it would have gone 7 against us and then gone 13 ticks. So either way, we would have had 2 targets, 2 winners, and been out of the day plus 600 on net equity, $1,980 for the week. So we'll be back tomorrow, the last trading day of the week, last trading day of the month, and we're posting a stellar week. So far, we have a perfect week. We have 8 trades, 8 winners, 0 losers. And that's because we're not chasing the trades that are not setting up perfectly. We know we will get our trades. It's just a matter of waiting. So listen, everyone, have a great afternoon. You're welcome to come in for a trial. We have a few people in the room on a trial right now. Here is all you need to do. Just go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There's a link there for our free trial. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or give us a call at 1-855-765-6681. We're here all the time to answer any questions that you have. So we look forward to seeing you in the trading room and hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Take care.